Haller's Tejas Nick and Roger maintain their excellence and win the first National Ace Pigeon Heavy Medium Distance Yearlings KBDB Championship once more.
Together, they manage the colony with great skill. They are now a constant presence in the National Ace Pigeon or Championship fields. Last season, Fawn, a new National Ace Pigeon, was added as an extra. Fawn was the first to bring home an Olympiad pigeon. The outcome of developing something with the same pigeon stock for 15 years without selling a single top pigeon in that time. Colonies with 3 first National Ace Pigeons in their breeding loft are nearing the end of their resources.
They claim that we shall all start from zero and maintain our composure if you inquire about the inspiration for the upcoming season. Our initial goal would be to win the heavy middle distance for olden yearlings at the national level, a competition in which they were 5th in 2022 and 2nd in 2021.
Looking back 15 years, the common thread running through this colony is primarily the line of the portier and his son, de Witt 6. The 2 sons of the Witt 6, Thor and Zwartmole, are the other standard bearers of this colony, together with Superqueaker 511.
Presently, all of these toppers remain in the breeding loft. However, they are no longer capable of fertilization. Every lovely melody has its ending. However, we have little doubt that other elite performers will surface to take the mantle of super breeders.
Sparrow, who placed first in the Argentine competition with 14,787 pigeons and second in the Garrett competition with 12,888 birds, will undoubtedly be among them. He also became the father of 2 top hens in 2023, both of which were National Ace Pigeons. With all of their National Ace Pigeons in the breeding loft, there is no lack of follow-up, so everything will work out just great.